Hey there, fellow seekers of wisdom. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going on a journey through time and space as we delve into the fascinating world of Vedic literature. In this video, we will explore the ancient scriptures that have shaped the foundation of Indians' rich culture heritage. So grab a cup of tea, sit back, and let's dive in. Now, before we go any further, what exactly is Vedic literature? Well, my friends, it refers to the sacred texts originating from ancient India known as the Vedas. These scriptures are among the oldest known religious texts in the world, dating back over 3000 years. The Vedas consist of four main texts: Rigved, Yajurved, Samved, and Atharvaved. Each Ved has several sections of mantras containing hymns and prayers dedicated to various deities. These verses were orally transmitted from generation to generation until they were eventually written down. One of the most captivating aspects of Vedic literature is the profound wisdom it contains. These texts touch upon diverse topics such as philosophy, spirituality, ethics, and social values. From the cosmic cycles of creation and destruction to the nature of human existence, the Vedic offer a holistic perspective of life. Now, what makes the Vedas even more extraordinary is the language they are written in: Sanskrit. Sanskrit, often referred to as the language of the gods, is incredibly complex and precise. It is believed to hold a unique vibrational energy that resonates with the cosmic order. What's truly mind-blowing is how many concepts found in Vedic literature align with modern scientific discoveries. The Vedas discuss astronomical phenomena like the rotation of the earth and the position of celestial bodies long before modern telescopes existed. They also explore topics like the nature of time, the origin of the universe, and the interconnectedness of all life, ideas that have parallels to contemporary scientific theories. Now you might be wondering, how can we relate to something written thousands of years ago? Well, my friends, the beauty of Vedic literature lies in its timeless wisdom. Despite the vast time gap, the values, insights, and lessons from these ancient texts are still relevant in our lives today. From practicing mindfulness to fostering compassion, the Vedas offers us guidance to lead a more meaningful and fulfilling existence. Another fascinating aspect of Vedic literature is the vast array of spiritual practices it encompasses. From meditation to yoga and Ayurveda, these ancient disciplines have gained immense popularity worldwide. The Vedas serve as a wellspring of knowledge, inspiring us to explore our inner selves and connect with something larger than ourselves. So, whether you are a scholar thirsty for knowledge or simply curious about ancient civilizations, diving into Vedic literature can be a transformative experience. Exploring these sacred texts opens up a world of wisdom, deep insights, and profound spiritual understanding. Well, my dear viewers, that brings us to the end of this enlightening journey into Vedic literature. I hope you found this exploration as fascinating as I did. Remember, the ancient wisdom of the Vedas is there for all of us to explore and learn from.